Welcome to this Callovo instructional video for replacing existing call button on the CRU. Firstly, you will need to ensure the new call button is installed with battery and place it on the side of the CRU. In this demonstration, we are replacing the number 7 call button. Press and hold the replace button until you hear 2 beeps and a closing melodic tone. Then quickly press the call review button to cycle through to the number that you would like to replace.
Number 1, number 2, number 3.
We will replace number 7
4,
call button in this case.
5, number 6, number
Press the
7.
new call button to replace the existing number 7 call button. Remember to press clear button to exit the programming mode. At the end, test the new call button to ensure it is functioning correctly.
Number 7.
Press the clear button to resume to time clock display. Callovo. Simple, but more than just simple.